How to get best back market discount codes 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the best discount code for best back market in 2025. So first of all, as you know, this is the official website of back market. You just have to simply open a new browsing tab and search for back market discount code, and here you can see there are multiple web links. Here you just have to simply open multiple of them, and then you have to just check which one works with you. As you can see, it's a 25% $25 off, like back market discount code, $25 off. And if you click on here, it will show you the code. You just have to uh, click on copy and paste it on your cart of back market and see if this code works with you. You can also click on the redeem at backmarket.com, and it will directly redirect you to the back market cart and automatically add the coupon code there. And you can try as many as you want to, and check which one works with you. And you can do same as of the other websites. Like here you can see uh, it says £15 off on your first purchase to £50 or more when you sign up for the newsletter. And you can also try this on your back market. You just have to simply click on the see the deal, and you just have to click on go to the shop. It will automatically add the 60% off unlocked with the specific product, that is iPhone 13 with 128 GB. And if you go to the other websites, as you can see, it's €45 code back market discount, €45 off laptops over 450. So this code will only work with the laptops. And we can also see other coupon codes here. You can just click on get discount and or the get code option, and it will give you the code or directly redirect you to the website, and the discount code will automatically add it to your cart. And if we go in this website also, here are some codes, so you can also try from here. You can also try some code from Reddit. There are some forums that shares back market discount codes. As you can see, we go to the back market Reddit, working codes $25 off back market. As you can see, 3 hours ago, this is the active discount code. From here you just have to simply click on here, and it will be added to your back market cart. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.